Once upon a time, America was the beating heart of global manufacturing. From Detroit's auto lines to Pittsburgh's steel mills, factories powered not just the economy, but the dreams of millions of families. Then, globalization happened. Jobs moved overseas, wages stagnated, rust gathered where innovation once roared. Today, a new question echoes through boardrooms and debates. Can the US really bring manufacturing back? And this time, do it smarter, faster, and stronger, with the help of artificial intelligence, robotics, and advanced automation. In this video, we'll unpack this ambitious vision, the opportunities, the obstacles, and what it means for American workers. Let's dive in. First, a quick rewind. After World War II, the US was the manufacturing powerhouse of the world. Cars, electronics, textiles, you name it. But from the 1970s onward, companies found cheaper labor abroad. China, Mexico, Southeast Asia became the new factories of the world. Lower costs meant cheaper goods for Americans, but also the loss of millions of middle-class jobs. Entire towns hollowed out. Made in America became less common. So why not just bring it all back? Well, it's not that simple. Labor costs are still higher here. Environmental standards are stricter. And supply chains are now deeply globalized. But lately, the winds are shifting. COVID-19 exposed how fragile global supply chains are. Companies couldn't get semiconductors, or even toilet paper on time. Geopolitical tensions with China have also made Made in America a matter of national security. Plus, with climate goals and new trade policies, companies are rethinking where and how they make things. Consumers, too, are showing interest in locally made, sustainable products. But there's still that cost problem. So how can technology close the cost gap? AI and automation can do the dull, dirty, and dangerous tasks more efficiently than humans, at a fraction of the long-term cost. Modern smart factories use sensors, machine learning, and data analytics to predict breakdowns before they happen. Robots can work 24/7 with precision, boosting productivity. Then there's digital twins, virtual models of physical processes that allow companies to test changes without shutting down real production lines. Add in 3D printing, which can create parts on demand without massive inventories. All this reduces waste, shortens production times, and brings costs down. Even small manufacturers can use cloud-based AI tools to compete globally. We're already seeing examples. Tesla's gigafactories churn out batteries and cars using cutting-edge automation. Right here in the US, Intel and other chip makers are building huge new semiconductor plants in Arizona and Ohio to reduce dependence on Asia. In smaller towns, robotics startups are popping up, training local workers to run, maintain, and program these advanced machines. The new factories don't always look like the old ones. Fewer people on the line, more people in control rooms, coding, and monitoring AI systems. But what about jobs? Automation does replace some manual labor. But it also creates new, often better-paying roles. Robot technicians, data analysts, AI trainers, maintenance engineers. The challenge? Workers need new skills. America's workforce must be ready to operate and collaborate with smart machines. That means investing in community colleges, apprenticeships, and lifelong learning. Without this, reshoring could widen the gap. High-tech jobs for the trained, but fewer opportunities for everyone else. So, can the US really bring manufacturing back with AI and automation? The answer is partly. We won't make everything here. Global trade isn't going away. But for critical goods, high-tech products, and resilient supply chains, the US can absolutely lead again. Success depends on smart policies, private sector investment, and, maybe most importantly, equipping American workers with the skills of tomorrow. Automation won't just bring back jobs. It will transform what those jobs look like. And if we get it right, it could mean a new era where Made in America is once again a symbol of innovation, quality, and prosperity. So what do you think? Can technology revitalize American manufacturing, or is this just wishful thinking? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get smarter. Thanks for watching.